Assalamualaikum. Hi, my name is Widi Mutakin. In this online course, you will learn Microsoft Excel from the very basics until you can master all aspects of the software. The curriculum is carefully designed so you can learn Excel in the shortest time possible, but through an easy learning process. After this course, inshallah, you will have real and applicable competencies that can help your business or your career. I am an entrepreneur who is also an academic lecturer in information systems and computer graphics. I have a bachelor's degree in software development and a master's degree in information systems and business management. For more than 20 years, I have been using Microsoft Excel for a variety of needs, be it for business or academic purposes. I used Excel for bookkeeping or finance, student data management, academic research, project management, data analysis, and so on. By the time I published this course, I have taught more than 80,000 students globally worldwide. There are tons of things that you will learn in this online course. It will be too long to explain all of them in a short video. To see the details, you can check the curriculum section. I will only explain some of them briefly in this video. In the first chapter, you will get to know the basics of Microsoft Excel, such as how to work with files, explore the user interface, how to navigate a document, and so on. Then, you will learn the basics of working with data in Excel, such as using autofill, using formulas, and understanding different types of copy and paste. Learn to use various types of cell references from the simplest to the complex ones. Next, you will learn the ins and outs of data presentation in Excel, from formatting basic text, numbers, cells, borders, and styles. Then learn various techniques for structuring the table. In the next section, you will learn about various things related to graphics, such as inserting and managing image files, creating shape and text box objects, creating smart art, creating charts, and spark lines. In the next chapter, we will discuss advanced data processing techniques. We will discuss things like nodes, comments, find and replace techniques, data sorting, filters, freeze pane, and so on. Then after that, we will discuss in detail everything related to tables, pivot tables, and how to combine the two features. We'll also cover a variety of conditional formatting features from the basic examples to more complex ones. And in the final chapter, we will cover different techniques related to printing and exporting, such as defining print areas, managing headers and footers, data protection, exporting to PDF or XPS, etc. So join this course now and become a master of Excel. Wassalamualaikum.